Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Infoblox for secure DNS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using Infoblox for secure DNS, ensure you have your network infrastructure set up. Access the Infoblox GUI by entering the IP address in your web browser. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Data Management tab. Under Data Management, select DNS. Click on Grid to configure DNS settings for the entire grid. Next, select Members to review the members of your DNS grid. Check that all members are properly connected and synchronized. Go to the DNS Security section under the DNS tab. Enable DNSSEC by toggling the appropriate setting. Configure the key management options, including creating a KSK and ZSK for your zones. Next, navigate to the Zones section to add or edit DNS zones. If creating a new zone, click on Add and provide the necessary details. Specify the zone type, ensuring to select the option for Secure DNS. After configuring the zone, ensure the DNSSEC is enabled for it. Save the changes and review the records in the zone. For adding DNS records, click on Record. Choose the appropriate record type and fill in the required information. Repeat this process for each record you wish to add. Now, navigate to the Logging and Reporting section. Ensure that logging is enabled for DNS queries. This will help in monitoring DNS traffic and identifying potential threats. Next, review the grid settings for additional security features. Consider enabling DNS over HTTPS or DNS over TLS for added privacy. Finally, test your DNS configuration using a DNS query tool. Confirm that your secure DNS setup is functioning as intended. Monitor the Infoblox dashboard for real-time insights into your DNS performance. With these steps, you are now equipped to use Infoblox for secure DNS management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.